All right, so our first step in installing this aftermarket guidance system on this 6215 is going to be the installation of our main harness here. So to do that, the first thing we're going to do is locate the 21 pin connector that we're going to need, and it is actually located behind the operator seat, right down under this panel next to the fuse box. So to find our harness connection point, we're going to remove the 2 thumb screws. Remove our fuse panel cover, and what we are looking for is this purple 21 pin connector right here. So very simple process. Match our keyways up, slide it in. We hear the click, so we're going to give just a little bit of tug backwards to make sure we're nice and tightly connected. Now we're just going to simply tuck it back into our compartment here. Now we'll put our fuse panel cover back on. And now we're ready to route the remainder of our harness. So the next step while we're in the cab that we want to complete, we want to get our X35 connected to our main harness here, as well as mounted on the monitor rail that we sourced here from SDF. So on the end of the main harness, you're going to have 2 connectors. You have a single key and a dual key connector. Just simply match up the right connector on the back of the display. And then using the supplied ram mount hardware that comes with the X35 kit, we're going to go ahead and get it mounted here in the cab. And now we can position it to the operator's preference. Now we're ready to finish the installation by moving out to the front of the tractor and going up and mounting the receiver.